Hello everyone, welcome to public lecture on INAMORI philosophy. Mr. Inamori, he's a great man.
Mr. Inamori was a respected business leader in Japan.
He's a great Japanese. He passed away already last year. He's more than 90 years old. He passed away already. But he left behind so many ideas, so many wisdom, so many philosophy for us to think. And then for me, I think his theory is treasure for all mankind. I'm glad that if you could join us, it is very useful. I'd like to start to say about the objective of this course. In summary, there are three objectives. One is to know the basic principle of Buddhism, which is our religion of Cambodia. So to know about the basic concept of Buddhism. We are Buddhist countries, but many of us do not understand well the Buddhism. We go to ceremony, Sama Sambuddhasa, but realities, a certain concept we don't know. This is about asking people to understand about the meaning of some basic concept of Buddhism. Objective number two is about, I want the participant to know about how Japan apply Buddhism and business in Japan. This is applied. One is theory, another one is applied. We talk about application. So how Japan do it? I choose Japan because Japan is very close to Cambodia in terms of people as well as in terms of thinking, value. Japan also Buddhist countries. And then if I was supposed to do that with France or with Germany or with USA, we could not do that because people are different mentalities. So one is to know about Buddhism principle. Number two is to understand how Japan apply Buddhism in their business. And number three, I want you people, I want everyone who come to study to apply in your business, to apply in your life. Because this course is not only about business, but also about your life. So this is the main objective.
If you wonder why Japanese companies are known for their quality with long-term vision, his philosophy may give us answer. For example, the result of our life or work is like a math equation. Attitude times effort times ability. This means having a positive attitude, working hard, and having the right skills can lead to success. He also talked about aligning our hearts with the will of the universe, which means that our spiritual energy shall be in harmony with the universal will. I personally grew my company by following his teaching, and I believe you can benefit too. If you are interested in these ideas, please join us. We learn Mr. Inamori's philosophy together.
And lastly, as additional benefit from this learning, I believe that we could making with other people, we know other people. It is a networking process. It is camaraderie. We call it soulmate, friend that learning, that share the common value through Inamori principle. I think that we could make a kind of group, a circle of people working together because when you are in elementary school or high school, even universities, you are friends, but once you go away, it's not friend anymore. But this is because we are already adult, we are all already, so we could have a networking for a long time to come. I like to emphasize that this is important for CJBI because CJBI is talking about Cambodia and Japan, how to work together between Japanese and Cambodian. So if we fundamentally, our mental, our value is shared, I think naturally we could do so many things together. So through this, I expect to have more collaboration, pure collaboration. People tend to say people to people, heart to heart, but in reality, I think I do not see anything substantial. But I believe through this, we could do a lot more like that, but really fundamental for our relation between C, Cambodian, and J, Japan. And incidentally, this year is 70th anniversary of Cambodian-Japan diplomacy. I think this is a good point that we start this course this year. Thank you very much.